everyone, my name is Tejas Kiran. I am studying in second standard tulips. Today I am going to say Asamyukta Astamudras. There are Pataka, Tripataka, Ardha Pataka, Kattari Mukaha, Mayura, Ardha Chandra, Arala Shukatundakaha, Mushchishta, Shikara, Kapita, Kataka Mukaha, Suchi, Chandrakala, Padmakosha Sarpashirshakaha, Mrugashira, Simhamuka, Kangulo, Alapadmakaha, Chaturo, Brahmara, Hamsasya, Hamsapakshakaha, Samdamshu, Mukula, Tamrachuda, Trishulakaha. Thank you.